The original spark for the development of the I-Series Rotary was really a customer request. The machine had to go into a very limited space. So having a rotary filler with a large scale stand wrapped around it and then the scale on top just didn't fit. So working with the scale vendor on getting all the models and dimensions done, we came up with a brand new design, a much more robust guard package that doubled as the scale stand. That created the smaller footprint, and then we had to change the geometry a bit of both the scale and the filler to bring it down to the height that the customer demanded. In order to reduce the waste and spillage, we were able to use this larger timing bucket on the scale combined with a 36-inch diameter 15-pocket rotary filler. With a larger target, we can drop the product faster, spill less product, and then we also came up with a new design for the dust cover, which also can double as a gassing cover if nitrogen is being introduced to the system. Those two things combined really increase the speed and then also reduce the product spillage. So the vibration system on the I-Series Rotary is a bit different. When we get a larger volume, larger piece size, settling the product becomes a bit more of a challenge. And so we had to switch to a system that had lower frequency but higher amplitude. So much more violent, I guess, on the vibration system to really settle the product into a rigid container. Because we have a decoupled vibration system, that vibration didn't transmit to combination scale, which is key to making it run accurately. Because we're gearing this towards rigid packages with, in many cases, larger piece sizes, what we've done on this machine is come up with a sensor to look down into the filled container, and if it's under a certain fill level, we can reject it as it comes out of the machine. So getting that inspection done before it's sealed and before it goes downstream to other unit ops allows the product to be recouped. The machine is very accessible. An operator does not need to lean over a frame to get into the change parts or to any of the parts of the machine. So that's a key feature and benefit of the unit. We've designed those side transfers into the change parts. If you've got the right color parts on the machine, it's ready to run. We don't have any dial indicators, there's no rail guides to move in and out by hand, so it makes the changeover not only faster, but much more repeatable. I'd say the I-Series Rotary is perfect for a co-packer because number one, they always have space constraints. They're trying to get as much done in a little footprint as possible. So the footprint is a perfect fit for a contract manufacturer. Being able to change the machine over quickly and make it flexible enough to run a lot of different package sizes is ideal for a contract manufacturing because they're going to want to throw a lot of different packages and a lot of different products at the same line. A lot of people refer to the filler as the heart of the packaging line. It's where processing comes in, it's where raw material comes in, it's where containers come in, and where everything comes together and then goes out to end of line. A lot of our best designs have come from customer requests, and that's a good thing, right? If somebody's trying to solve a problem, they're not the only ones. And so taking that input in, coming up with a design that really truly meets all their needs and wants. Number one, it gives us a great machine at the outcome that we can sell to other people. But number two, it builds a customer for life. When you dive in with somebody like that and really have this back and forth process to make sure we're ticking all the boxes, it really develops an unbelievable relationship and one that we can be really proud of.